So here's one of several shuttle buses we have for sale. This is a 2010 GMC 3500, wheelchair accessible. This is a clean, straight body bus that we believe was probably set up for a daycare. It has a set of child seats in it that we've never seen before. I want to do this video because this one has some miles on it. It kind of scares people. There's the exhaust. You can see there's absolutely no smoke. Just fired it up. Tires are in great shape. All brand name Goodyear Wranglers. A few of the specs on the bus right there. Extremely clean inside. But the neatest part to this van is the seat setup. We've never had another one like it. I'm sure they're out there and I'm sure they're available. But these seats make the van a regular passenger carrying van with no issue. And then all these front seats, 6 of them in total, so 12 passengers of children, have this fold down shoulder harness type setup, which is pretty neat. Wheelchair ramp, and then a couple regular passenger seats. Carrier heat and air conditioning system. Some safety items there. Some more over here. But this is a clean van, and it gets very much overlooked just due to the mileage. You can hear it's running perfect, no issues. All your control switches. Auxiliary fan, does have air condition. Air condition does work. No check engine lights on the dash. Even has a safety system on the back door and all that good stuff. So Thomas built, manufactured. Give this van a little closer look. You'll be surprised. This is a good vehicle for somebody and extremely affordable and in good shape. Very little use, as you can see from all the seats wear and tear. If you got any further questions, give us a call, 804-271-0030, or look us up on the web. We have usually about 1 dozen to 2 dozen shuttle vans, buses. We even have some of the regular style school buses right now, Freightliners and Thomases with the flat nose, in stock. Thanks for watching. Click to subscribe. www.davis4x4.com for the website.